PS4 how to fix screen size. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix screen size on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to fix your screen size on PS4, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch settings over here. Once you launch settings, I want you to simply go to sounds and screens. Once you go to sounds and screens, go first of all to video output settings, and under it you can choose a resolution that you like, which could be 1080i or maybe 1080 pixels, which is that depending upon whatever else you like over here. You can now simply go and select what kind of resolution that you want. The RGB range I recommend is set to automatic. The HDR, if you want to enable it, you can just go and set it to automatic or whatever else you prefer. You can select deep color output, and you can also check some of the information that you have about you're using 60 Hz or what Hz or whatever else you're using here. Once you've done that, go to display area settings. If you would like to enlarge it, you can just click on enter option here, and once you click on enter options, you should be able to go ahead and then basically enlarge your screen size that you can find over here. Once you enlarge the screen size, you can just come back and your screen size will get successfully enlarged as well, as you will be able to find it in most of the cases. And hopefully this video helped you as to how you can fix your screen size. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.